Coke's up 3% pre-market despite organic revenue, Jim, down 26, which, as far as our databases go, you got to go back a quarter century, almost 30 years to see a number that bad in a quarter.
Well, but I think that James, we speak to James, he's rather upbeat because the quarter as it went on did get better. Remember, his company is heavily exposed to restaurants. Quick serve, too, is better than just the fine dining. Heavily exposed to cafeterias, and it cannot be made up with supermarket and e-com sales. But I have tremendous faith that the worst is over. Things can come back, and there I look at the model as he does of China, which is starting to do much better, and I think that will carry over. Obviously, if we reclose, it's not good, and a very small percentage of his business is just traditional restaurants that are not coming back. So I think the cadence of the quarter, as they say on these calls, was very positive.
Yep, we'll see what Quincy says in the next hour. Sarah's going to bring him.
Yeah,
he did talk about, Jim, something that we see repeatedly from other companies, and that is rationalization of the offering, right? SKU zombies, I think he calls them, which will be called.
Yeah, I mean, everybody you just have to send fewer SKUs. And I think that the toughest thing, when I talked to James, the toughest thing is I said, listen, I ordered a couple cartons of Coke Zero. And he came, and I love it, and I thought that would be the beginning of. I thought others would do the same, and it was done at the beginning, but it's not being done as much now. And so, while I like that the stock is up, I don't know if it can stay up because these stocks are not the stocks that people love. These are unwanted stocks. And I just say that PepsiCo had a great quarter. If you look at Frito-Lay, where they also rationalized the SKUs, you would think that Pepsi has got to be ramping here because it was much better than Coca-Cola when it comes to Frito-Lay. No. I mean, yeah, it's got the greatest chart in the book. And stocks do only go up. I said I'd mention that this segment. But PepsiCo is a better stock than Coca-Cola. But right now, people are just enamored of Coca-Cola because it's just done nothing for so long. How about Warren Buffett with Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, I mean, the Occidental,
American Express.
American Express, yeah. David, thank you. Airlines.
You're welcome.
So
well, no longer. Doesn't own the airlines anymore. We should point that out.
No, that's true. So. But I know that David Portnoy did say that he's not at the top of the game anyway. Warren Buffett's not at the top of his game. Yeah.